Give you a report on the next over.
Oh yes, a 5 by 5. Excellent audio, congratulations indeed. Different team. My name is Franco, near Venice. Questo team?
Roger, Franco. Yeah, I have you 5 and 7, 5 and 7. I'm near Tampa Bay. I'm in Tampa Bay, Florida. Little town called Bravo, Alpha Lima Mike, QSL.
Yes. In Tampa, have hurricane or no?
Say again, please.
In Tampa, around, come si dice, hurricane, around hurricane or no, over?
I'm by St. Petersburg. I'm on the west central coast, west of Orlando. I'm 10 miles from the Gulf of Mexico, north of Sarasota, QSL.
Yes, thank you for interesting information. I like the meteo condition. All right, Tim. My name is Franco, Tim, and the QTH located from northeast of Italy near Venezia.